Any area in manufacturing where a manual process is used is an opportunity for the introduction of automation. The manual setup of a part on a CNC machine tool is one such example. In this time-lapse video, we have a machine operator performing two setup sequences on a generatively designed automotive upright component. The top video shows the manual setup process. The bottom video shows the automated setup process. In both cases, the timecode at the bottom right of each video indicates the time taken, but note that the manual video is running significantly quicker than the automated setup video. Even for an experienced operator, this process is difficult and time-consuming to do manually, using tools such as digital test and coaxial indicators and Z-axis presetters to locate the part, all whilst carefully jogging the machine and adjusting the part to position it as accurately as possible. The result is that the machine is underutilised, sat idle and not cutting parts, which eats into profit margins. Automating the process with the use of software and a machine tool probe combats this. By programming setup sequences offline and running them as quick, repeatable and accurate NC programs, profitability can be maximised as machine time can be better utilised for production rather than wasted through workpiece setup. Even in this simple example, the manual setup time takes 15 minutes 10 seconds, whereas the automated setup takes just 2 minutes and 40 seconds, representing an 82% saving of time on the machine. So to maximise your machine utilisation and increase part accuracy, using an automated setup becomes an obvious choice.